Hello everyone, today we are going to see which one of these boats can float in the storm of the bubbling hot tub. Okay, so our first boat is the wooden sailboat. It's made out of wooden, and let's see if it can survive. Wait, no, I meant like, no, sorry. So this boat does float. We just put it up here. And now we have a second boat that can float. We can see if this boat can float. And the name of this one is called the Lego diving yacht. So let's put it in and just see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Oh my god. You have to put it right in the middle. It falls, that one doesn't. Wait, let's try one more time. Okay, so this one is false, it doesn't float. So now we can see which one is heavier. Seems like, so the diving yacht is actually heavier. Oops. Oh, I have to fix that. I'll fix that later. Okay, so now we can see if the sailboat can survive this. Yep, it survived. And one more time. Get this out. Okay, so this time we're gonna do it bigger. Oh, that was a big one. One more time. One more time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So that one, it cannot survive that. So that's the end of my video. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Lego videos. And see you in the next video. Bye.